Thinking about canceling your T-Mobile service? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to cancel, how to avoid extra charges, how to keep your phone number, and what to check on your final bill. How to cancel T-Mobile service. For most users, the only official and reliable way to cancel T-Mobile service is by contacting customer support. Step 1. Contact T-Mobile support. Dial 611 from your T-Mobile phone or call 1-800-93-78997 from any phone. Step 2. Navigate the menu. Follow the automated prompts, say Cancel Service or Close My Account. Step 3. Verify your account. You'll need to confirm your identity using your phone number, account PIN, or security questions. Step 4. Clearly request cancellation. Say you want to cancel the line or close the account. Be clear that you do not want to pause, suspend, or change plans. Step 5. Get confirmation. Ask for email or text confirmation. Write down the cancellation date and reference number. Important tip: T-Mobile may offer discounts or plan changes. If you're sure, repeat clearly that you want to cancel. Important note for prepaid users. If you're on T-Mobile prepaid, you have two options. You can call support and cancel manually, or simply stop refilling or turn off autopay. Prepaid lines usually cancel automatically after about 120 days of non-payment, but your number may be lost. Want to keep your phone number? If you want to keep your number, port it to your new carrier first. Once the port is complete, T-Mobile automatically cancels the line. Do not cancel first, or you may lose the number permanently. Check device payments before canceling. If your phone is on EMI or device financing, the remaining balance becomes due. T-Mobile has no early termination fees, but device payments still apply. Before canceling, check your remaining device payoff, any pending monthly charges. Check your final bill. Before you're done, make sure billing stops after your cancellation date. No extra lines remain active, device payoff charges are correct. No unexpected fees appear. If anything looks wrong, contact T-Mobile support immediately. Click the link in the description for the full written guide. Now you know exactly how to cancel T-Mobile service the right way, without surprise charges. Thanks for watching.